Today we'll be laser engraving a glass gift that can be great for wedding favors. Grooms, groomsmen, bridesmaids, family members, or just a friend that you want to send a custom gift to. We will start with our xTool F2 Ultra UV machine. Connected to our design studio, we will be processing on a flat surface. Select soda lime glass for the material. I have selected the whiskey decanter option, but they will give you similar results. Now we will go ahead and have the camera capture where our glass is located so that we can place our design. I have a predetermined design already selected. I will locate it and drag it over to our canvas here and place it at the center of the cup. I will hide the background momentarily. You will notice that my logo is actually backwards. I want to see this design when looking down into the glass, so we have reversed the image. This is a tip you can use. You can see the top of this glass has a clear edge, making it very easy to see. The bottom, however, is capturing a lot of reflection. If it's unclear to you where the edge of your cup is, I suggest adding a piece of tape to indicate, and you have a clear distinction of the area you can engrave. This helps with locating exactly where you want this logo to be. Okay, now that we've picked a good spot for our cup, I'll now go over the settings. We'll be engraving this item with power set to 90 and speed to 300. I'll stick with selected 1 pass, and with 300 lines per centimeter. Keep the default frequency of 40, and for the results we'll show soon, no other options are needed. Let's hit process and let the xTool F2 Ultra UV laser work its magic. Checking our time here, looks like it'll be a 48-second run. I found a Herradura tequila bottle gift set that came with matching glasses, and I wanted to add a thoughtful personalization. Laser engraving is a great way to enhance an item you already know. Will be a welcome present for your recipient. Here's the branding that came with the glass. And here is our customization add-on. Quick couple of minutes designing and 48 seconds to engrave. But now you made the perfect gift even more special.